Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to be decorating my dashboard layout that is my mini on the go. This will be for March 21st through the 27th, and I'm going to be using some new really pretty pink, orange, and purple florals called Delightful. These are available in my shop now. I am going to pair the florals with Teal Sunflowers 2 and Harmony. So these are the big boxes. I'm not sure. I probably will only use a couple of those. And then I've also grabbed the smaller boxes from those two collections. So I think this spread is going to turn out really pretty with the oranges and the purples. And just for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this video. Just play some music in the background. I'm not going to do a talk through. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster.